One of the biggest differences between weak research writing and strong research writing is the quality of the paragraphs. Many students include information in their work, but they do not develop their ideas properly. As a result, their writing feels unclear, repetitive, or disconnected. But strong research paragraphs follow a clear structure. And once you understand that structure, writing becomes much easier. In this video, we are going to look at how to write strong research paragraphs step by step. The useful structure to follow is point, evidence, explanation. The first part is the point. This is the main idea of the paragraph. Begin with a clear sentence that tells the reader what the paragraph will discuss. For example, social media can negatively affect students' concentration during study time. This immediately gives the paragraph direction. The second part is the evidence. After introducing your point, support it with information from a reliable source. This could include research findings, statistics, academic studies, or expert opinions. Evidence strengthens your writing. It shows that your ideas are supported by research. The third part is the explanation. This is where many students struggle. Do not just include evidence, explain what it means. How does the evidence support your point? Why is it important? What can we understand from it? This part demonstrates your thinking, and strong research writing requires critical thinking. One common mistake is including evidence without explanation. Another mistake is writing paragraphs that contain multiple unrelated ideas. Each paragraph should focus on one main point. This keeps your writing clear and organized. Another important tip is to avoid copying information directly. Research is not about repeating what others have said. It is about understanding information and explaining it clearly in your own words. When your paragraphs are structured properly, your writing becomes easier to follow. Your ideas become clearer, your arguments become stronger, and your overall research improves significantly. Writing strong paragraphs is not about sounding complicated. It is about being clear, structured, and logical. If you would like a structured guide that helps you develop strong research and writing skills step by step, my Research Starter Toolkit is available in the About section of this channel. It includes planning tools, examples, and beginner-friendly guidance to support learners. On this channel, we will continue breaking research into simple and practical steps. If that would help you, consider subscribing. Because when you learn how to structure your paragraphs properly, your entire research becomes stronger.